Welcome to our Learn and Grow English podcast, where we explore English through engaging stories, life lessons, and powerful ideas. Today's topic: improve yourself every day, even just 1%. You don't need to be perfect. 1% is enough. Don't change everything overnight. Start with a small step, like listening to our podcast or adding a new word each day. Part 1. Why 1% matters. You want to become fluent in English? Don't study 8 hours a day, memorize words, or strive for perfection. Just 1% improvement each day can create massive change over time. It's called the power of compounding. Think about this. If you improve just 1% each day for a year, you'll be 37 times better than when you started. 37 times better than when you started. It's the power of small, consistent growth. Part 2. Stop waiting for motivation. Most people wait for motivation, but you don't need it. Growth comes from discipline and repetition, not from motivation. Even if you feel tired or if you skip it, do one small thing today. Just 1%. Maybe listen to our podcast. Write 3 new words. Talk to yourself in English for 2 minutes. Or do anything small that sparks your growth. These actions may seem small, but when you repeat them every day, build momentum, confidence, and results. Part 3, the 1% rule in daily life. Apply the 1% rule in every part of your life, whether it's in study, work, or personal life. Want to be smarter? Read 1 page a day. Want better English? Learn 1 new word every day. Want to be healthier? Walk 10 minutes a day. Want peace of mind? Meditate for 3 minutes. These actions may seem small, but your efforts can create meaningful change over time. Part 4. Real example: the power of small changes. Let me share an account of Anna, one of my students. She was shy and afraid to speak English, but she made a deal with herself: improve her language skills daily. Instead of giving up, she started with 1 small step: listen to a podcast. Her goal was to learn 3 new expressions. After 1 month, she was confidently talking with native speakers. Part 5. Your action plan. Start today. So how can you start? Here's a simple plan. 1. Pick 1 area you want to grow. English vocabulary, speaking, health, mindset. 2. Choose a tiny daily action, something you can do in 5 minutes or less. 3. Do it today, not tomorrow, today. Repeat it tomorrow. Don't try to do more, just keep it going. 5. Track your progress. Write it down, no matter how small. Because every time you choose growth, you're not just learning English, you're building discipline. You're shaping your identity. You become the person you want to be. Remember, improve yourself every day, even just 1%. Small steps, big change. Thank you for listening to this episode of Learn and Grow English podcast. If this inspired you, share it with a friend who's also learning English. Don't forget to follow the podcast and take 1 small action today. Until next time. Keep learning, keep growing, just 1% at a time.